Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where, for some reason, your Instagram account is action blocked. And what an action block is basically you're not able to do certain things. You're not able to like people's posts, follow people, comment, and sometimes post and all that crazy stuff. Now, there's two different ways to go about fixing this, but both of them are a little bit different. So, the first way is basically if you're doing a lot of suspicious activity, and the second thing is if you're breaking their terms of service. And typically they both kind of go hand in hand. But the very first way, obviously, the suspicious activity little thing. So basically, if you just went ahead and made your own Instagram account and you went ahead and just followed a bunch of people and you liked a bunch of posts and commented and all that stuff, typically Instagram knows that as soon as you go ahead and make your very first account, you're going to do that stuff. But if you're doing a lot of abnormal stuff that a Instagram may deem that a bot is doing, they may actually restrict your account from the get-go. So as you can see, I have this Instagram account. It is not my main account at all, but it is a pretty new account for the most part. I don't really have any posts. I don't have anything. So if I just went ahead on this account and started following a bunch of random people, posting a bunch of stuff, posted 30,000 stories and all this stuff, Instagram may think my account is a bot, and they may actually go ahead and action block me or even shadow ban me and all that crazy stuff. So pretty much the main thing to do in this case is to not act like a bot. Basically, if you're leaving a lot of comments, you want to stop leaving a bunch of comments. If you're liking a bunch of posts in a matter of like 10 seconds, you're liking one, then like another, then you want to go ahead and basically calm that down a little bit too. And this is the big one now, if your account is super young, aka you just made it, and you've already posted a ton of photos, you've posted a ton of stories, and you've posted a ton of Instagram Reels, that's a new one, like it's like the TikTok alternative, then this can deem your account suspicious in a way because it's acting like a bot and you may just be spamming a bunch of things. Even if you're an actual human, Instagram may deem your account like that. So the best thing to do in this case, obviously, pretty much stop acting like a bot, so stop posting photos, just let your account rest for a little bit, let everything catch up, and sooner than later the action block will go away. And at that point, start slowly going back into it, slowly posting photos here and there, maybe once a day, posting other things here and there. That'll typically make that little action block go away, and it'll actually make it so your account will be much healthier in a way. So once you get like a couple hundred followers and stuff, then you can just start doing a lot more things. But like I said, if you just started your Instagram account, the best thing to do is kind of calm down, let the account kind of build up some history with Instagram, and then essentially you can do whatever you want to after a certain while. So that's the very first thing, honestly. Now the second thing is if you're basically breaking their terms of service. So what this basically means, and it's not necessarily like you're acting like a bot and that's it. This comes down to a ton of different things in my opinion. The very first thing and the most craziest thing is basically if you're posting a lot of inappropriate stuff in general. What this means is basically not only if you're just posting inappropriate photos, but if you're leaving inappropriate comments, if you're posting inappropriate stories, or if you're posting, inappropriate reels, or if you're breaking their terms of service in any way, Instagram may deem your account, inappropriate. It's breaking the terms of service, and they may actually even deactivate your account, but you may actually end up getting a action block. So in order to fix that specific portion is to scrub through your whole entire profile, go through all your photos, delete anything that may be deemed inappropriate based off Instagram's terms of service, basically anything that's gory or nudity or anything like that, delete those all from your Instagram account. The next thing, which is another huge thing, is if you're leaving a lot of inappropriate comments, the best thing to do is delete all those comments on those photos. Delete every single comment that you can. If you've left a lot of inappropriate comments, go ahead and delete those. And then that'll basically clean out your account. And also the photos and Instagram Reels. If you're posting a lot of Instagram Reels or stories that are inappropriate, Instagram, as I said before, may deem that inappropriate against their terms of service and may action block you. They may even ban your account, to be honest, but that's pretty much the best thing to do. So those are both ways that I would see. The first one being if you're acting like a bot. The second way being is if you're breaking their terms of service. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.